we will demonstrate some fun experiments with a Van de Graaff generator. Put a polystyrene ball near the metal dome. The dome attracts the ball. Put a metal plate and a conducting ball near the generator. The ball shuttles back and forth. Attach a tuft of hair to the generator. The tuft of hair stands on its end. Place a bunch of ignited incense sticks near the generator. Switch on the generator. The smoke particles are attracted by the spiral conductor. Touch the metal dome with a neon bulb. The bulb lights up. Place an earthed sphere near the metal dome. Sparks are produced between them.